chameleon. A Costa Rican chameleon. Can change any colour. Green, yellow. But today he thought, brown. Oh, I wish my son was here to see that.
Lads, wait for me.
We're at the Rio Venado River. Guess what we're fishing for? It's my old friend, the machaca. And we're going to be using a very different bait.
And this is the fruit for the machaca, yeah? Smells very nice.
Yeah.
Can we eat it?
Yeah, you can eat it, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it's nice. Inayokten. Hearty Malay language, but cedro amargo because it's hard, yeah.
No, that's not good. That's terrible.
Yeah.
That's shocking.
Yeah.
It seems ridiculous using fruit to catch fish, especially as it tastes so awful. But the Meleco have been doing it for about 1,200 years, so they should know what they're doing.
A really simple method of fishing this. Line, hook, bait, which is fruit, and throw. There was a minnow on the line here. A technique we use on the Colquitt in the northeast. We call it drop minnow. I'm in. Oh, wah! I'm in. Please let that be a fish. Yes, boys! You are not going anywhere. Yes! Oh, yes! A machaca. Yay!
At last, I've caught the elusive machaca, known as hiki in the Meleku language.
Oh, hiki in Maleku. Ah, how pleased am I? Walked 5 kilometers for this fish. Fantastic. We can eat tonight.
Unfortunately, we've still got to trek the 5 kilometers home, so we won't be eating anything for a while.
I tell you, thank goodness Elvidia's leading the way. Whew. Whew. The humidity really takes it out of you, about 90% humidity. You got ants, you got snakes. Whew. I'm glad I'm not on my own. I'll be crapping myself.
Once the fish is cleaned, it's time to smoke it.
You smoke it for half an hour. It tastes beautiful. I have to say, it's the best way to eat fish, smoking it. It's so good for you.
The fish here, please.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's good.
Hey, take that, excellent.
That'll let the smoke go around the fish. Yeah. This is what we do at home.
Yeah.
This is what I do. I do this. We want no banana leaf. You don't get many banana leaves in Newcastle. There we go. Right, do you want to bring the other 2 over? And we'll come and eat them, yeah? Tastes good, doesn't it? Yeah, come on. My first taste of machaca. No, it's good. And look how happy fishing makes us. We went fishing today, and we caught a fish, and we're eating the fish. It makes us happy. It's a good feeling, isn't it?
I finally got my machaca. And after catching it with fruit, absolutely nothing will surprise me about fishing ever again.